Hello everyone, today we are going to read a new poem, A City Sand Pile by Edmund Cleany. This poem is about the city children who have never been in touch with beach, sea, mountains or streams. It explains their excitement on finding a sand pile. The poet of our poem, Edmund Leamy, was an Irish journalist, barrister, author of fairy tales, and nationalist politician. He was a member of parliament in the House of Commons of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. He was born in the year 1849 in Ireland and died on 10th December 1904 in France. Children in a sand pile on a dingy street, building men had left there, little did they think or care. Children small would find it fair and run with eager feet. In the first stanza, the poet says that children are playing on a sand pile. The street is dingy. Dingy means dark and dirty. Building men had left there. Little did they think or care. Some building men who were making a building had left there a sand pile and they didn't care about that sand because it was a little amount of sand. Children small would find it fair, but the children in the street were very happy to find that sand pile and run with eager feet and they were eager to play with that sand pile. कहता है कि सिटी में जो है गली में एक सैंड पाइल मिला उन्हें बच्चों को बहुत खुश थे वो पर वो जो गली थी स्ट्रीट थी दैट वाज अ डिंजी स्ट्रीट बहुत डर्टी थी डार्क थी बिल्डिंग मैन हैड लेफ्ट देयर तो जो लोग बिल्डिंग बना रहे थे पास में उन्होंने वो वहीं छोड़ दी क्योंकि दैट वाज नॉट एनफ अमाउंट ऑफ सैंड मतलब थोड़ी सी थी वो सैंड और उन्होंने उस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया चिल्ड्रन वुड स्मॉल वुड फाइंड इट फेयर पर जो बच्चे थे उनको तो बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड रन विद ईगर फीट और वो बहुत खुश थे कि वो उस सैंड के साथ अब खेलेंगे और उसका घर बनाएंगे चिल्ड्रन इन अ सैंड पाइल ऑन अ गोल्डन डे Glory, how their eager cries filled the city's clouded skies. As with unrestrained surprise they found that they could play. In the second stanza, the poet says that the children are very happy to find that sand pile. And glory means a joyful shout of praise or happiness. He says that the children are very happy. They are shouting with joy to find that they can play with that sand pile, and there, as with unrestrained surprise, they found that they could play. Now there is no foundations of their surprise. Their surprise is limitless. That they can play with that sand pile without being stopped by anyone. So in this poem, the poet इन दिस पोइम द पोइट सेज दैट बच्चे जो हैं वो बहुत खुश हैं वो सैंड पाइल को देख के और ये उनका सबसे खुशी भरा दिन है और ये जो आसमान है सिटी का वो खुशी से गूंज उठा है मतलब उनकी खुशी जो हैप्पीनेस है उससे गूंज उठा है एज विथ अनरेस्ट्रेन्ड सरप्राइज दे फाउंड दैट दे कुड प्ले और वो खुश हैं कि वो उनको कोई रोकेगा नहीं वो इससे आराम से खेल सकते हैं इट डजेंट बिलोंग्स टू एनीवन मतलब वो सैंड पाइल जो है किसी का नहीं है तो वो आराम से उसके साथ खेल सकते हैं सब मिलकर चिल्ड्रन इन अ सैंड पाइल लाइफ सीम्ड ऑल कंप्लीट never knew the beach or sea, mountain, field, or stream or tree. God be thanked that yet there be sand piles in the street. In the third stanza, the poet says that the children living in that street have never seen mountains, field, or stream or beach, but they feel their life is complete by playing with that sand pile. In the closing lines, God be thanked that yet there be. The poet says that the poet thanks to God that even though city life has lost contact with the mountain fields or streams, but yet there are sand piles are there for children to play with. तो पोइट कहता है कि चाहे बच्चों ने ये माउंटेन फील्ड और स्ट्रीम्स एक्सेट्रा ये सब नहीं देखे हैं, पर उनको ये लगता है कि उनकी लाइफ कंप्लीट हो गई है बाय प्लेइंग विद दैट सैंड पाइल। और वो इस सैंड पाइल से क्या बनाते हैं, कैसल वगैरह, ये आप देख रहे हो इसमें पिक्चर में, वो घर बनाते हैं और उसके साथ खेलते हैं। गॉड बी थैंक एट देयर बी। तो एंडिंग टू लाइंस में जो पोइट है वो कहता है कि भगवान का वो शुक्र करते हैं कि शुक्र है सैंड पाइल उनको मिला है स्ट्रीट में खेलने के लिए। That's all about our poem, and the PDF of question answers is in the description box. And thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe my channel.